Hello friends, my name is Sourabh Shrivastava. Until now, we saw what is mocking, spy, stubbing, argument matching with argument matcher with many code examples. Now, we are understanding verify in Mockito. Verify are static methods which are used to check that certain behavior happened in a code. These methods help in the end of testing code that certain methods have been called or not. Also, these can be used to check number of invocations like exact number of lines, at least once, at least, at most number of times. So there are different methods given in Mockito to use verify. We have times, we have at least once, we have at least, we have at most, we have at most once, we have never, verify, no interaction happened, only in order. So to understand these examples, these methods, let us write some code and see how these method work. So friends, to understand verify example, I have created a movie booking service. So this service consists of email service and booking DAO. It has a constructor. It has a public method do booking and a private method get booking detail. So we will write our test for this do booking method. It takes movie name and number of tickets as a parameter, and it get booking detail and save it to booking DAO and send a email regarding that booking is done. So now let's see our movie booking service test class. It has a two mocks, email service and booking DAO. It has one service object which takes these mocks as injection, and it has a setup method to initiate these annotations. Now I am taking first example, verify simple. So I have called this do booking method with a movie name and a number of tickets. So now let's see first a simple example of verify. I have called this do booking method. So I'll just check that Mockito dot verify booking DAO is called with same method, and same method is taking any type of booking detail dot class object. So this is a verify simple example. I am not checking anything else. I am just checking that booking DAO is called or not. So let's run this. We can see now our test is green. So this is how verify method is used to check that some method is called or not. That's it. Let us take our another example, verify with times. So I'll just copy this code here. Now I will check the same thing, but this time I'll check with times method, Mockito dot times, and I will check that same method is called one time or not. So I'll pass wanted number of invocation 1. Let's run this. So it has passed. If I passed 2 here, what will happen? I get an error. Wanted 2 times but was 1 time. So in this error, it is saying that we want that booking DAO.save method should be called 2 times, but it is called only 1 time. If I call this booking service the do booking again, a different movie now. Let's say Avengers Endgame, and now I want 5 tickets for this movie. Now if I check this booking DAO with the number of times 2, it should get green. It is green now. Why? Because I called this do booking with two different inputs, and this time this same method has been called two times. So this is how we can use Mockito.times with verify. Now let's take another example, another method of verify. This example is for at least once. So I'll check that the same method is called at least once. So at least once is quite same like calling times with one argument. It is passed. So this is the example of at least once.